Yes, welcome to another video with me, Steve Wright. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can improve your focus and become more productive as a result. Having the ability to focus will help you to achieve your goals no matter what they are in life, work or business. And if mastered correctly, focus is like a superpower that can lead to incredible productivity. So let's take a look at the things you should be doing to become a master of focus and productivity. Number 1, make sure to get enough sleep. It's important to get between 7 to 8 hours of sleep per day to allow for the body to recharge and heal. Unfortunately, your brain will not function at full capacity when you're tired, but your concentration and focus levels will increase considerably when you get plenty of sleep. Another thing you should try to do is drink more water each day. Now, drinking more water will not only help to avoid dehydration, but it will help to maximize your focus and avoid loss of concentration. You want to aim to drink around 8 glasses of water a day, and you'll soon see an improvement in your focus and your concentration levels as well. Exercising regularly is important. It will increase your energy as well and help you to be more productive. It will also strengthen your immune system and help you to prevent sickness, as well as increase alertness and energy that will help you be more productive when you're working. You will also be ready to take on much more tasks and perform for much longer periods of time throughout the day. Another thing that you should try to incorporate in your daily routines, which is really important, is meditation. Now, this will help to clear your mind and stop your mind from wandering. So you want to spend at least 10 minutes a day and use apps such as headspace.com and calm.com. And you'll soon notice that your mind will have clarity and you'll be able to focus on whatever it is you're working on with complete ease. The next thing that you should try to do as well is declutter. Now, clearing your work area or your workstation enhances your focus considerably, and it also helps to clear your mind. You want to get rid of papers around your workstation that are not related to your task you're working on. So you want to organize your papers into folders, and this will not only help to clear your mind and encourage focus, but it also helps you to reduce the number of distractions around you. The next thing that you want to try and do is you want to take short breaks as well. Our brains are like any other muscle in our body in that they're susceptible to fatigue. Working without taking breaks will lead to a decrease in performance, so taking short breaks for up to 10 minutes can reinvigorate you and enable you to come back to your task refreshed and with a renewed perspective and approach. So always look to take short breaks throughout the day. Another thing that you should try to do is tackle short tasks immediately. So if you have tasks that can be done in 10 minutes or less, don't delay. Don't leave it to the last. You want to do it immediately, because it's proven statistically that completing short tasks straight away will actually take less time than going back to it to do it later. Music is another great way to help you stay motivated and keep you engaged and focused on whatever it is that you're doing, because it triggers a part of the brain that stimulates our attention. So make sure to choose music that has no lyrics if you want to achieve maximum focus. Now let's take a look at some of the things that will help you master your time management. So one of the things that you can do is to create a to-do list of the most important tasks. So put together a list of the 5 most important things you need to complete that day. So these should be right at the top of your list. After these top things you've written down, list the things that need to be done but are not so important. So if you do this, this will help to drastically improve your time management. Another thing that you can do that will help master your time management is focus on demanding tasks. So reserve some hours on your calendar for any demanding tasks and be prepared not to be bothered during this time unless it's an emergency. So put your phone on silent, close any email applications, and set up short breaks throughout these hours where you can check your emails and you can also check your phone as well. Another thing that will help is to find your optimal working period. So choose a time of day where you're physically and you're mentally more focused. Perform your most important tasks or projects around this time, and other tasks that are not so important and need less focus can be left to the time of day where you're not at your best. So setting up and designing a website, for example, just before bedtime may not be a good idea, as you soon feel tired and you also likely be distracted as well. Next, you should focus on the end goal. So avoid wasting time by tracking the amount of time you're spending on tasks. There's an app that can help you with this, which I'll talk about in a little while, but the chances are you're spending too long or you have no idea how long you're spending on them. Focus on what you're trying to complete and the end goal and not the task itself. Another thing that you can do is you can try to create deadlines for yourself. So setting deadlines gives you a sturdy boundary to stick to. This is something most people don't want to do, but with a set time limit in place, it triggers the brain to be more productive and more focused. So now let's take a look at some of the tools that can help you massively increase your productivity. So the first tool I recommend is called Hootsuite. Now Hootsuite will allow you to reduce your time on social media and help you schedule your social media posts. So you get a 30-day free trial up front, so you can try it out and you can use it without paying a single penny for a whole entire month. So if you want everything automated for you, you want to cut your time down on social media, Hootsuite is definitely the tool for you. The next tool I recommend is called Evernote. So Evernote allows you to take notes and jot down your ideas and take them with you no matter where you go. The reason for this is because it's a cloud-based app that you can access your notes from via your phone. And so long as you've got your phone with you, it doesn't matter where you are, you can always have your notes with you at all times. The other tool that I highly recommend is called Dropbox. So Dropbox is cloud-based as well, just like Evernote, and it also allows you to store your important documents as well as share them. And because it's a cloud-based app, you're able to keep your documents with you close by at all times, and you can share them and get access to them no matter where you are, as long as you have your phone as well. The next tool I recommend is Asana. This tool will help you organize and plan your work. It's mainly designed to help you manage large tasks and large projects, but it can also allow you to collaborate with other teams as well who are in your business. To help you keep track of your time you spend on tasks, use Rescue Time. This app will allow you to track how much time you're spending on different sites during the day and even block websites that distract you while you're working. However, this particular feature is only on the paid version. So at the end of the day, rewarding yourself is very, very important. Make sure you book your holiday, go to the cinema or that concert you want to go to. Whatever it is, having something to look forward to is a great motivator for getting your goals accomplished and your work done. This is definitely one of the most important things out of everything I've talked about in this video, which is to reward yourself and have something to look forward to. At the end of the day, becoming a master of focus and productivity takes practice and it takes effort as well. What I've shared with you in this video will help you find ways to help minimize the distractions that may be holding you back from focusing on what is important to you. If you're taking anything from this video, always keep these 4 things in mind. Always pay attention to self-care, clear your workspace of clutter, use some of the productivity tools listed in this video, and very, very important, don't forget to reward yourself. So, I've been Steve Wright. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've liked this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll keep making videos like this to help you push forward from time to time. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below this video and I shall see you in the next one. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Take care.